Why Topzir 4D Ultra Fit Multi-A is the full arch master? Because it's engineered specifically for what full arch restorations demand most, a perfect balance of strength and translucency. Topzir 4D Ultra Fit is a next-generation gradient multi-layer zirconia, with 9 seamlessly blended layers. Each layer is pressed using different zirconia powders, to optimize both aesthetics and performance. At the cervical zone, it delivers 43% translucency and an impressive 1,200 megapascals flexural strength, ideal for strong load-bearing support. Toward the incisal edge, it reaches 57% translucency with 700 megapascals strength, creating a natural, lifelike appearance where it matters most. This unique combination allows dental labs to craft full arch restorations that are both highly durable and exceptionally aesthetic, all in one block with no compromise. Topzir 4D Ultra Fit, mastering full arch restorations. Big smile, top confidence.